In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner in Pixlr, step by step, even if you've never designed a banner before. We'll set up the correct canvas size, place a banner template so you can keep everything inside the safe area, and then add your text, logo, and design elements so your channel looks clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your desktop web browser and go to the Pixlr main site. Once you're on the homepage, click on Pixlr E, which is the advanced editor. This is the version you want because it gives you more precise control over your canvas and layers, which is exactly what we need for a YouTube banner. Next, on the left menu panel, click Create New. This is where we'll set up the correct banner dimensions. For a standard YouTube banner, enter 2560 for the width and 1440 for the height. These are the recommended dimensions, and using the correct size helps your banner look sharp across all devices. After that, turn on the background switch. You can choose any base color you want here, depending on the style of your channel. If you want a clean look, go with something simple. If you want something bold, choose a darker or brighter color that fits your brand. Once everything looks right, click Create. Now that your blank canvas is ready, the next step is to guard the safe area. This is one of the most important parts of making a YouTube banner, because YouTube displays banners differently on TV, desktop, tablet, and mobile. That means your most important text and logos should stay inside the center safe area so they don't get cut off. To do that, download a standard YouTube banner template from Google Images. Make sure it's a template that shows the safe area clearly. Once you've saved it to your computer, go back to Pixlr and at the top menu, select Layer, then Add Images layer. Choose the template you downloaded and it will appear on top of your canvas. At this point, you'll probably need to resize the template so it fills the whole canvas properly. Go to Edit, then Free Transform, or use Ctrl+R if that shortcut is available in your setup. Stretch the template until it covers the entire canvas area. The goal here is not to use the template as part of your final design, but to use it as a guide so you can see where the safe area is. Once the template is in place, look for the Layers panel and lower the opacity of that template layer to around 30%. This makes the guide visible without overpowering your design. With the opacity reduced, you can still see the safe area boundaries while working underneath it. Now it's time to actually build your banner design. Select the text tool on the left toolbar, usually marked with a T. Click inside the center safe area and type your channel name. This is the main focal point of your banner, so choose a font style that matches your brand and make sure it's easy to read. You can customize the font, size, color, and spacing until it feels right. If your channel has a specific theme, try to make the text match that style. For example, a tech channel might use a clean, modern font, while a gaming channel might use something bold and energetic. The key is to keep it readable and centered inside the safe area. After the main title, you can add extra details like your social handles, upload schedule, or a short tagline. This helps viewers quickly understand what your channel is about. If you have a logo, you can upload a transparent PNG by going back to Layer, then Add Images layer, and selecting your logo file. This is a great way to give your banner a polished and branded look. Once your text and logo are in place, you can rearrange the elements until everything looks balanced. If the template guide is getting in the way, go to the Layers panel and toggle the checkmark or eye icon to hide it temporarily. That makes it easier to see how your final banner will look without the guide overlay. Take a moment to fine-tune the spacing, alignment, and visual balance. A good YouTube banner should feel clean, not crowded. Keep the most important information in the center safe area and leave enough breathing room around your design so it looks professional on every screen. When you're happy with your banner, save or export your final design in the format you need and then upload it to your YouTube channel. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a YouTube banner in Pixlr from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.